colored brows in 1 minute. Brush your brows and use a white eyeliner or concealer to cover up your brows and brush them again. Use a brush like this and pigmented shadows. Use a light shade on the beginning of your brow and a dark shade in the end. Fill like normal. Use a concealer and a brush to clean out the brow and give a shape. Blend out the concealer. Set everything with powder and done. I hope you guys like this. Comment, subscribe, and like if you like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!